Hello guys, we are back with our next tutorial. In this tutorial, let us go through open scene graph, guys. So basically, this is the methods, guys, which we will be using for the easier understanding of the concepts that we need to design. So let us assume they gave you a project on computer graphics to design something. So will you start designing like that? So you'll be taking some parameters. What should be initialized first? What should be the first object that you should create? For that, what is the child and everything, right? So this open scene graph will help you guys. So this is one of the most powerful APIs, and this is also the best advantage, guys. This is having the advantage that this software is an efficient one, which will helps the CPU and the processor to interact with them and to utilize them to the maximum extent. Fine. So let us go through some points so that you'll be having a clear idea. Open scene graph, OSG, is an is one of the most popular full scene APIs that support the various types of nodes. Okay, so the advantages of higher level of a software is a software can balance is that the software can balance workload between the graphic processor and the CPU. It can manage both of the things, guys. So there are two important things that this can do. There are two important methods. One is nothing but hidden surface removal, guys. We will be saying it as hidden surface removal, but the terminology is occlusion culling. Okay, so this method eliminates the objects that cannot be seen, as the objects are blocked by other objects before the entry of the rendering buffer. So instead of that object to enter into the rendering buffer or any kind of buffer or pipeline, so we'll be avoiding them so that the workload will reduce, right? So that is the reason why if the human eye or the observer is here, and if there is an object and at back we are having one more object, so this object is not letting this object to appear. So what is the need of this object to draw, or at least what is the object of collecting those data for that particular object? Once the data is known that it cannot be observed, we can just avoid it, right? So that is nothing but the occlusion culling. Fine. So the square blocks the triangle. Since Z buffer algorithm, guys, we'll be discussing this in the fourth unit, guys, don't worry. Since the Z buffer algorithm yields a property rendering as each of the image in OpenGL process individual and occurrence cannot be discovered. So in our lectures we have discussed about this concept already, but in Z buffer the problem is that it is collecting it and it is passing already it into the buffers and pipelines. So that is a disadvantage, right? So that is the reason why we need to avoid this. So that can be achieved by this OSG, open scene graphs. Okay, so even the best one more advantage is that the rendering will be really faster and efficient. It's because we are removing all the unwanted things, right? So indirectly our process will become really efficient. So I hope everyone got a small idea on this. So in the next tutorial, we'll be going through other tree structures. So in the next lecture, we'll be going through BSP tree, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.